able to batch into Buzz is a huge time saver. Buzz allows you to batch import large sets of data directly into your domain anywhere you see the Import button. Just click Import to upload a tab-delimited or comma-separated file with your data. Here in the domain area, you can click on More, and you have two options. You can import enrollments here or import observers. You can also do this from other various screens. For example, if I click Users and I go More, I can import users. I can also go to Courses and import courses. Let's look at how to import at the domain level. First, let's learn how to format tab-delimited and comma-separated files. Buzz allows you to set up courses, users, enrollments, and other data by importing a tab-delimited values text file, or TXT, or a comma-separated values file, CSV. These files use plain text and predetermined fields to organize data as tables. We will review more about each type of import and the supported files associated with each. Let's use import enrollments as an example. Here you can import the file, the TXT or the CVS, by clicking Choose and choosing that file. For example, if you wanted to create a course import file, it would need to define the action, the username, the course ID, or role separated by a comma. On the next line, you provide the content about the enrollment for each of the fields you entered. In this example, you would click Add because the action is to add. Other options are Copy, Edit, or Delete. You would then have, with a comma separated between them, the username, another comma, and then the course ID, and below that, role ID will be student by default. If you have a custom ID that you created in your roles, you would put it here. Then you would continue to add rows based on your import. By default, it will not allow duplicate enrollments. If you wanted to, you would need to choose this. When you're ready, click Next. It will then validate the data, and then you click Import. If it's correct, it will import the data. If it finds an error, it will let you know and you can fix your data. When you're ready, click Done. You can also import observers the same way. In this example, we have the action, the user ID, the observee ID, the first name and last name. Click Next. Again, it will validate the data, and then you can import. Once it's imported, you'll be able to see that data in your courses, under enrollments, as well as if any learner has an observer attached to it, it would import that observer for that student. Please view the supporting article that gives very specific details on all the types of ways that you can batch, as well as the column headers that need to be associated with each type of import.